Welcome. In this video, we will dive into one of the most powerful but often overlooked elements of SEO, that is schema markup. This structured data helps search engine better understand your content and enhance how your website appears in search results. Schema markup is a type of structured data that you add to your HTML code. It tells search engines exactly what your content means, not just what it says. Schema markup uses standard vocabulary from schema.org, which Google, Bing, and Yahoo all understand. When added correctly, it allows your content to show up as rich results with star ratings, images, FAQ, and more. Adding schema does not directly affect rankings, but it does increase click-through rates, boost search visibility, and improves how your site appears in search engine ranking positions. That is powerful for SEO. Let's look at some common type of schema markup. Choose the one that fits your content best and watch your search listing improve. Here is an example. A cooking blog uses recipe schema. Now when the page appears in search, users can see cooking time, star ratings, and even an image, all without clicking. You can add schema using three formats: JSON-LD, Google's preferred format, microdata embedded with HTML, RDFA used in more complex sites. The easiest way: use plugins or schema generators. Once you have added schema, test it. Google provides free tools to validate your structured data and see if it is eligible for rich results. To sum up, schema markup does not guarantee better rankings, but it does improve your search engine listing appearance, which increases traffic and builds trust. Thanks for watching. Start adding schema to your site today. For smarter SEO, for step-by-step guides and live example, check out our full SEO training course in the description below.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.